Hi there. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can prevent strangers and even your friends, anyone, to move stuff on your ship, to buy things on terminal, to change moons and perform any actions. So to do this we'll have to install one simple mod. We're going to do it manually, so if you don't know how to install mods manually, you can go check out tutorial on our channel. Then come back here and follow these steps. So firstly, let's open internet browser, search for something like Lethal Company mods. Go to the first link, this under store, and we should search for mod called Lockdown. So this is the mod. We'll have to also download this another mod on which it depends. This pep in utils. We manually download both of these modes. Then we should drop contents of these archives to our Lethal Company folder. So we go to Steam, right click Lethal Company, Properties, Installed Files, Browse. Okay. So in Lethal Company we go to Bepinex, Plugins, and drop this DLL file from one archive and another DLL file from another archive. And basically now it should work. I don't know how I can demonstrate it to you, but with these mods installed, strangers can't move any furniture, like buy stuff on your terminal, and moons, land ship, or like start ship, anything. Only you can do it. So yeah. So for mods to work, you should run the game once. After that, the configuration file will be created. In this config file, in the Lethal Company folder, you can actually adjust like which features you can only you perform and which features can perform you and your teammates. Something like that. So here you like whether any client or only host can purchase items, can purchase unlockables like root command on terminal, like can put items into storage and stuff like that. And here you can adjust if it's only for you or if it's for everyone. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.